Iba't ibang klase ng babae kung mag-aasawa ka.
Everybody loves the things you do. From the way you talk to the way you move.
Kapag nag-asawa ka ng babaeng independent at business-minded,
Everybody here is watching you.
accept the fact na hindi niya maaasikaso ang bahay nyo 24/7.
Cause you feel like home.
Kapag gusto mo naman sa babae ay inaasikaso ka full-time,
You're like a dream come true.
What are you doing?
accept the fact na hindi siya kumikita ng sarili niyang pera at may time na mapapabayaan ang kanyang sarili, kakaintindi sa'yo at sa anak nyo.
But if I change, you're here alone.
Kapag gusto mo ng babaeng makinis, maputi, at chicks na chicks, accept the fact na kapag inasawa mo yan, kailangan mong sagutin ang lahat ng expenses niya sa beauty products to maintain her